As the country currently battles Lassa Fever caused by rats, the deadly coronavirus, which is spreading worldwide, has got Nigerians wondering if the government is ready should the new illness hit Nigeria. The Nigeria Center for Disease Control (NCDC) says 195 confirmed cases of Lassa Fever and almost 40 deaths have been reported in 12 states. With the coronavirus spreading fast, the House of Representatives has called on the federal government to declare a public health emergency in the country. The lawmakers say although the virus has not been reported in Nigeria, the government must take preventive measures to ensure that the virus does not make its way into the country. Meanwhile, the Federal Competition and Consumer Protection Commission (FCCPC) on Wednesday morning shut down the popular Panda supermarket in Jabi, Abuja, operated by Chinese nationals, following a tip-off that illegally imported seafood from China had been delivered in the stores. In a tweet from the FCCPC Twitter handle, the agency revealed the store had products with expired and irregular shelf lives. Also, the federal government has assured of its readiness to strengthen surveillance at 5 international airports in the country to prevent the spread of coronavirus. The 5 international airports are in Enugu, Lagos, Rivers, Kano, and the FCT. The Minister of Health, Osage Ehanire, revealed the Nigeria Center for Disease Control (NCDC) had set up a coronavirus group and was ready to activate its incident system for coronavirus if any case emerged in Nigeria. African countries like Ivory Coast, South Africa, Kenya, and Ethiopia have stepped up measures to ensure the coronavirus does not enter the continent, even as some passengers in these countries have shown signs of the virus. While prevention and fever checks upon entry is an essential first step, it may not be enough. The problem is the coronavirus's long incubation period. While direct flights from cities in China to major hubs in East and West Africa range from anywhere from 12 hours to 13 hours, coronavirus symptoms can appear anywhere between 2 to 14 days after exposure. In African regions where borders are porous and passengers hop on short flights between countries for business and travel, a unified response to containing the coronavirus's spread is key. Coronaviruses are a family of viruses that cause diseases in animals. 7, including the new virus, have made the jump to humans, but most just cause common cold-like symptoms. 2 coronaviruses, Middle East Respiratory Syndrome (MERS) and the Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome (SARS), are much more severe, having killed more than 1,500 people between them since 2002. The new virus, known as Wuhan coronavirus, is also quite dangerous, although not as dangerous as SARS and MERS. According to the NHS and the World Health Organization, symptoms of the Wuhan coronavirus include feeling tired, difficulty breathing, a high temperature, a cough and/or sore throat. These symptoms are similar to other respiratory diseases including flu and the common cold. If you have symptoms of the virus, you risk spreading it to others. Just call Ministry of Health hotline 0909 299 6283 or 0809 555 3232. Nigerians will not forget in a hurry the dreadful days of the Ebola virus scare between July and August 2014. The loss of Dr. Stella Adedevo and many others are a painful reminder of the impact of the Ebola virus on Nigeria. According to World Health Organization, 20 cases and 8 deaths had been confirmed. 4 of the dead were health workers who had cared for Patrick Sawyer, the Liberian who brought the Ebola virus to Nigeria. In all, 529 contacts had been followed and all cleared after quarantine. The international community praised Nigeria's handling of the Ebola outbreak, considering the administration of former President Goodluck Jonathan had allocated $1 million to fight the disease. While the fear of the coronavirus gradually creeps into Nigerians, many wonder if this administration would effectively tackle it as the previous administration handled Ebola. No one wants to find out, as we pray the coronavirus never makes it into the country.